I just decided to make a window video for you. So this is the window. Now this window was installed and we removed because customer wanted a smaller window in that opening. But this is what our brown window looks like. This is not a painted window. There's a lot of companies that paint their windows. This is actually a co-extruded product. And it has a nice, won't let that focus, has a nice finish to it. And this is an actual window. And that's that white right there on the screen, right there, that's just a sticker that hasn't been removed. And that's what it's going to look like. And I'll open that angle up for you so you can see. That's what it's going to look like. I think that's the shot that you wanted. So that's the brown window.